Hi, I'm Dan Karp with the Karp Group, and this is my partner Tabitha Cabrera. As you know, we've joined forces with Lori Shearer, and we're here today to talk to you about our vendor list.
Yeah, so we have an extensive vendor list of different partners and local businesses that we've worked with throughout the years and also had clients, friends, and family highly recommend. You've probably received a call from us or someone on our team asking you if there's anyone you've done business with that just has wowed you with service, because those are the type of people we love in our world. But if there's anything you need, from a local hairdresser to a pool guy to someone to come and fix the leaky roof, please don't hesitate to reach out. We go much further than the transaction, and we're here to support you in anything and everything to do with your homeowner needs. If you own a local business, we'd also love to hear from you and see how we can work together.
And so many of our clients own local businesses, and they become great partners of ours as we refer our clients to other clients. So it's really a great network to have. When we trust people, we're able to pass our clients along to others, and yeah, it's been a fantastic opportunity to create our relationship. So if you have any questions or any vendors that you want to recommend us, feel free to reach out. We look forward to hearing from you.